Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be installing a wig from Premium Lace Wig. Inside the package, I received some hairpins, an elastic band, wig caps, and some lashes. The wig that I received is a 5x5 HD curly 26-inch wig. This is what the wig looks like after I bleached and plucked it. I'll be doing a middle part with one baby hair on each side. Before I start applying the first layer of glue on closures, I always cut the lace that I won't be using off. This will allow you to see exactly where you want the glue to be placed. After you know exactly where you want the wig to be placed, you can then make the dotted line and then lift up the lace to apply your first layer of glue. When you apply your first layer of glue, you want to make sure that you spread the glue evenly across your client's hairline so it can dry evenly. If it ends up being too much, you can always just wipe it off. You can see in this clip how clear the glue dries because of how evenly the glue was spread across my client's forehead. After the first layer, you'll then need 2 more layers and your wig will be ready to be laid down. When laying the lace into the glue, I always start with the middle of the lace so it can be laid exactly where the middle of my client's head is. Right now I'm using the scissors and I'm cutting the lace in a sort of zigzag motion around the little pieces of hair. Once you're finished laying the lace down, you can then use an adhesive spray of your choice and spray it across your client's hairline. In this video, the adhesive spray that I'm using is Eben. After I finish spraying it across my client's hairline, I then use an elastic band and let it sit for about 5 minutes. For the baby hairs, I'll be cutting in a diagonal motion. So I'll be cutting from right to left, the right side being the shortest and the left side being the longest. Same diagonal motion on this side, only left side being the shortest and the right side being the longest. For the baby hairs, I'm using Got To Be Glued Gel and Cream of Nature Mousse. As you guys can see, while I'm swooping the baby hairs, I'm using my thumb to keep the shape as I swoop them. I use the gel when I'm swooping baby hairs as a weight to keep the baby hairs down while I'm swooping them. After you finish styling your baby hairs, you're going to use about 5 to 6 wrap strips to tie them down. Once the baby hairs are completely dried, you can then remove the wrap strips and apply some BioSilk on the hairline that you'll be hot combing. To make the part look sharper, I'll always use a permanent marker to cover all the over bleached hairs. Once you've colored in all the over bleached hairs, you can then use an angled brush and the makeup closest to your client's skin complexion to outline the part. Right now I'm just using my wax stick and a heat protectant spray to spray over the finished look to hot comb it one more time for a sleek look. The texture of this hair is loose wave, but I wet it with my spray bottle to give it a wet, curly look. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and thank you so much for watching.